Welcome to SKB Trading Lab. Today's topic is trend lines, support and resistance. A trend line is a line drawn by connecting highs or lows to identify the overall direction of the market. It helps traders understand the strength and flow of price movement. Trend lines also act as a visual representation of support and resistance on any time frame. Support trend line. A support trend line is created by connecting the lows of an trend. It shows the area where buyers are likely to enter and support the price. Resistance trend line. A resistance trend line is created by connecting the highs of a trend. It highlights the area where sellers may become active and push the price lower. Trading range channel. Sometimes the market moves within a channel formed by support and resistance trend lines. Price keeps reacting between these levels until a breakout or breakdown occurs. Breakout, breakdown. When buying or selling pressure increases strongly, the price breaks above resistance or below support. A breakout often signals bullish momentum. A breakdown often signals bearish momentum. These moves can also indicate a possible trend reversal and provide confirmation for buying or selling opportunities. Now let's understand this with an example. To draw a trend line, first go to the Lines section on your charting platform and select the Trendline tool. After selecting it, connect two or more important lows in an uptrend to create a support trend line. Support trend line. A support trend line is a diagonal line drawn by connecting two or more lows in an uptrend. It acts like a support area or a floor where the price usually stops falling and starts moving upward again. This line shows that buyers are becoming active and buying pressure is stronger than selling pressure. Important points to remember. The more times price respects the trend line, the stronger the trend line becomes. Traders often look for buying opportunities near the support trend line. It helps identify a strong upward market structure. Understanding support trend lines helps traders identify trend strength and possible entry zones more confidently. Resistance trend line. A resistance trend line is a downward sloping line drawn by connecting two or more lower highs in a downtrend. It acts like a resistance area or a ceiling where the price often stops rising and starts moving downward again. This line shows that sellers are stronger than buyers and selling pressure is dominating the market. Important points to remember. Price often reacts and falls after touching the resistance trend line. The more times the trend line is respected, the stronger and more reliable it becomes. A valid resistance trend line should connect at least two or more important highs. Traders often look for selling opportunities near the resistance trend line. Resistance trend lines help traders understand the strength of a downtrend and identify possible selling zones more effectively. Most used trendline tools in trading trendline. A trendline is used to connect highs or lows on the chart to identify the market direction and trend strength. Ray. A ray works like a trend line, but it extends infinitely in one direction. Traders use it to project future support or resistance areas. Horizontal line. A horizontal line is used to mark important support and resistance zones where price reacts multiple times. These tools help traders understand market structure, identify key levels, and make better trading decisions.